Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a fabulous weekend and ready for an amazing week. Today we are going to be making some pinwheels embellishment. I gave you a couple of ideas at the end of the video, but these are super easy to make but also very effective. I have used my digitals, printer front and back, and it's the same page that you get two different designs, but again, it's the same page as printed double-sided. Keep watching, guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay, guys, so I got here my papers. So this is called a magical garden because it's literally what I wanted to create, something that evoke our gardens, and it's full of bees. We need the bees to be alive. So it's a very floral, cute pastel digital papers kit. Oh, I love this. Probably one of my favorite. It's very fresh, very spring summer, and I just play with the bees. Oh, love that. Then we got some tags, a very large scallop envelope and just a normal envelope, two very large tags and two very large bees. And then we got a gift box. Now this one, when you do it up, it looks like this. So it's a milk carton gift box. And then you've got one more page. It's a very large kit with 4 different backgrounds. I just played with the black and white and the contrast with colors. So if you wish to purchase it, I put it on listed down below. So love this, love this. So I selected a couple of pages and I printed front and back. Okay, so I'm gonna do one with you and I'm gonna do the other one off camera. So I've got the starting point is a square, so it's 4 by 4. So we just need, and I've got here my erasable pen, just need to design a cross in the middle where both corners meet up. Yes, there. Can you see it? And then what we need to do, I mean, you could draw a line and cut it, but I don't think it's necessary. So you start from the corner and you cut towards the middle, towards the center, but you got to stop there. Okay, we do this on all 4 sides. And then I just erase the pen. Okay, so we got these 4 corners there. So before we do anything, I'm just gonna ink up each side. Okay, so I have inked up every triangle. What I wanted to show you, because this is the same page front and back, but I'm going to do 2 different versions, one with this print showing up and one with this print showing up. Okay, so the only thing that we need to do, we just need to get a large piece of double-sided tape or glue if you prefer. Just gonna do it, don't do it too big. Also cut with my, what's that, 1-inch circle punch. Cut yourself 2 little circles because they're going to be put on top of them. Okay, oopsie, shaky. Okay, and we do the same on this side. Okay, so what we do, guys, simple as, just gonna fold each side into the center. So your corner needs to meet that point when all the 2 diagonal lines meet, and then you just alternate them. Okay, so now we're doing this one here, and then we're doing this one here. Okay, so you've got the pinwheel shape. Now with my poking tool, just gonna make sure it stays nice and flat. Okay, and then now I'm just going to put my circle on top. So what am I going to do? I'm going to do a double-sided tape, but also just going to use some dimensional, well, foam pads as they're called. In fact, I should have just put them without the double-sided tape, but never mind. Yeah, because I wanted to be raised. Okay, let me just peel the backing off. 1, 2, 3. Don't help having big hands with crafting. Okay, and then so that's kind of this shape. I'm just going to position my bee roughly in the center. Okay, so you get this shape. We do exactly the same on this one. So again, start with one corner because it's easy, and then you walk all your way around it. Last one. Okay, and then let me zoom in a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Just gonna put a few more of these. Okay, and then we kind of centered the flower into that. Okay, let me just tidy up this. So this is 1 and this is 2. So what we're going to do with them, you've got different options. You can decorate, so if this is the page of your journal, you can just put it in there, and depends how you glue it, you can even create a little pocket, or they just be lovely, lovely embellishments just as they are. What you can do as well, if you put them into something else like that, and then you just glue it in a way that you can just put little ephemera, like a little pockets. It's completely up to you. But I thought, oh, I wanted something, yeah, I wanted to create something a bit different today, just something bright and full of colors and a bit florally. Okay guys, I'm going to go. Hope you like them, and I hope you're going to make them. And then if you did, share it on my Facebook group, because I really want to see what your take on my projects. My Facebook group is very interactive, is a very large community. We share projects, you guys share yours, and we take inspiration from one another. So I'll see you there. Guys, big thumbs up if you wish to purchase these papers that are available on my website. So I'll put the link down below. I will see you on Wednesday for a VIP video, and until then, stay safe and well. Mwah.